Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back again with another line dance, and I am so glad you are back. I appreciate you coming back each and every time to click on this video, to share this video, and also to leave a comment. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you're watching this video for the first time and you like the content, why don't you subscribe? If you located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you watch till the end, we can dance together. So here we go, guys. The name of this dance is called Good Lovin', okay? It is a one-wall dance, and I'll give you a step-by-step instruction. There is a change in the dance just at the very end, so the dance can end at the front. So it's real simple. So let me give you the step-by-step instruction. We're going to start with a slide. So stand on this side of the room and look in this direction. Okay, you're going to slide to the side. 1, 2, roll 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's slide to your right, roll, roll, slide to your left, roll, roll. When I do that, my right heel is up, and I'm going to do a step tick, going to my right, making a half turn. So this dance is very simple, but instructors, it's a good dance to teach your beginners because it's a slow dance and it can pick up the technique. This is a step tick. A lot of your beginners have trouble with a step tick, and this is a good dance to teach them that dance. So we slide to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is a good dance to teach because it's at a different tempo. It's slow, fast, fast. Slow, fast, fast, okay? So you're going to do 4 step ticks, right, left, with the left shoulder going forward, doing a half turn. So the key to doing a step tick is step forward. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step 1, 2, and step 1, 2, and tick 1, 2, and lift 1, 2. That's kind of how I teach it, okay? So our left shoulder, we turn to the right wall, half turn. Okay, and each time we're going to do this twice on the front and back wall with the slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're just sliding to the right. You're not sliding back. You're sliding to the right. Roll, roll, slide to the left, roll, roll. And my right heel is up. 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. The dance ends, that step ends on the left. I'm going to do the same thing I did at the front wall, I'm going to do at the back wall. And turn it towards my right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, left, 7 and 8. Ending on the left foot. So that's part 1. Okay? Remember, you turn it towards the right shoulder. Half turn with the left shoulder coming forward. Okay? Front and back wall. Same footwork. It doesn't change. Okay? Now, part 2 is going to move forward and back. So you shuffle up. You're going to do it at the front wall and the back wall. You shuffle right. 1 and 2, swirl 3, up 4. So you shuffle right, left, right. Right, left, right, swirl up on the left and lift. And then shuffle up left. Left, right, left, and swirl up on the right. So the same thing you do on the right, you do on the left. Shuffle up first, move up first. 1 and 2, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8. When this is up, we're going to do a rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. That's right, doing it at the front and the back wall. We're going to do the same thing again. Shuffle up first. right, right, swirl, left, 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 swirl, right, right, left, left, half turn, right, left. Remember the right shoulder is always going to come back and make it a half turn. That's a rocking chair. So let's put part 1 and part 2 together. 5, 6, 7, and slide 1, 2, roll 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8, tick. 1 and 2, step tick. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Slide 1, 2, roll 3, 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8, step tick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, shuffle up. 1 and 2, swirl 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Rocking chair up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half turn to this back. 7, 8. Shuffle right, swirl. Lift, left, swirl. Lift, rock up, rock back, rock up. Half turn back. Right, left. Okay? Now we're going to do just some hips. We go left, right, right, and step pivot. Step pivot, step pivot, step pivot. So you'll make a half turn and take your turn. Time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this part here, remember you go do it the left hip first. Left, right, right. And pivot. With the right shoulder come forward, half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you do the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right shoulder come forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next part is all 4 walls with the right shoulder moving forward. Out and up, out and up. Out right, left, all 4 walls. So out and knee, out, right, left. With the right shoulder coming forward, just a quarter turn. We're doing all 4 walls, okay? So this wall here, you're looking back, out and up on the right and the left. Out and up, tap out. Right, left. With the right shoulder moving forward. All 4 walls. Out and up, right, left, out and up, and right, left, and slide. Okay? Now, 4 parts. Real easy. Okay? So, we start with the slide and roll. And the slide, roll. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With your step tick. Going to your right before. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We do it again. Same footwork with the slide. Roll, slide, roll, tick. With your right shoulder coming forward. Okay? This part 1 mimics the front and back wall is the same. I'm sorry. It's the same. My right shoulder come back. You move it to your right. On this wall here, I move to my right. So my right shoulder come back. Each time, my right shoulder come back. 1, 2, roll 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You turn to your right wall. This back wall, 1, 2, roll 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the right wall with the right shoulder coming back, half turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now you're going forward and back. The front and the back wall looks the same. Shuffle right. 1 and 2, swirl 3, up 4, left 5 and 6, swirl 7, 8. When that right is up, you rock, rocking chair, rock back, rock up, half turn back, right, left. Here, the footwork is the same. Swirl on that right, shuffle. Right, swirl, left, right, left, swirl right, rock up, rock back, rock up again, now turn back, half turn, right, left. Part 3 is the hip, single, single, double, double, right hip, single, single, double, double. We pivot on that right with the right shoulder coming forward, half turn, 8 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back wall, left heel, hip, left, right, right, right. Right shoulder come forward. 1, 2, which is right, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes? Then, part 4, out and up, all 4 walls. So, all along we've been doing front and back wall. This last part we do 4 walls. Right shoulder coming forward, quarter turn. Out and up, side tap, 4 side tap with the right shoulder coming forward, quarter turn. Right, left, left. That's a quarter turn, out and up again, out and up on the right, out and up on the left. Side taps with the right shoulder going forward, quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then starts over. You do the same thing I just taught you. Now, the third rotation, you want to end at the front wall. Here's the change. Change, slide, roll, roll, slide, roll, roll. Third rotation, you tick. Stay here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Slide 1, 2, roll 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay here. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. End of dance, okay? So, all they did was end the dance at the front. So instead of ticking around, they just kept it here. Okay, and that's on the third rotation. That's called good loving. Beginner instructors, you can teach your beginners this. They can get it. Especially if they don't know how to do the step tick. It's at the right tempo or slow tempo. This is a dance to teach them that step, because it's not fast at all. Also, the tempo is slow, fast. So that's a great, also the rhythm and the tempo of the dance changes. So that's why this is a good dance for beginners. It's called Good Loving. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.